right now.
Feels nice and warm.
Yeah, it's been in that toolbox for a while. I did this to the guys at the OTOA and they were pissed. Reload! Do it now! 3 rounds! Guys, a little word of warning. Baby oil in a Kydex pouch can create a suction. Keep that in mind. Hop! Remove the source of ammunition. Clear the chamber. Lock the slide to the rear. Bend over and pick up an empty cartridge case and set up a stovepipe. Make sure you press the trigger because that tells you what's going on. Ready, up! Here we go, team. Think about what you're doing. Hup. Speed load, speed load, speed load. 3 more. His hands are pretty dry. Anybody else need a shot? Hup.
So you digging that 19X? Yeah? What's your favorite thing about it?
The color.
Got that nice cheese whiz look to it.
Yeah, man, I came down here
I love me some cheese whiz. Cheese whiz is big in Puerto Rico. This is not a joke. This is real. Cheese whiz, Velveeta, because they don't require refrigeration.
Oh, you need more?
Yeah.
And in many places in Puerto Rico, power is a sometime thing.
Yeah.
So when I was a kid, Velveeta and cheese whiz, baby, that was a standard in Grandma's house.
There you go.
Suddenly that 19X has changed color from the baby oil.
Remove the source of ammunition, lock the slide to the rear, set it up again.